Hey my beauties, as you see it, literally, I went on ahead and did a beginner friendly makeup tutorial that you guys can easily accomplish. This didn't take long at all. This is super easy. Literally all I used was one eyeshadow. I did my brows, I put my foundation on, put a red lip on, put some lashes on, and went on about my business. And this is the look, you guys. Welcome back, everyone. I'm your licensed esthetician, professional makeup artist, and here on this channel, I show you beauty, lifestyle, entrepreneurship videos, and all about being an esthetician, which benefit you to become a better you. So I really hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm not gonna ramble too much on, but yeah, keep watching to see how I perfected this nice, easy makeup, beginner-friendly look. Hello, everyone. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This is pretty dark, so we're gonna try to wing this, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brow. It almost kind of looked like a grayish brown. Which I guess I'm okay with. And it's definitely not fine tip. You guys know how I say sharpen your pencil before you use. But I don't even have a sharpener here, so. Because I wasn't going to use this either, but I don't even have a sharpener, so. And this is why it helps to have like a fine, look how round this is. I just want to show y'all. It's like so round, it's not even like defined or pointy, so. Brush to blend, yes, brush to blend. So we actually gonna go in with MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC42. When you are applying concealer, you want to make sure you guide yourself as close as you can to your brow and pull down. You see? Then you can either take a sponge. In my case, I'm going to be using this this deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to just blend that in. I'm not concerned about the color because it will come together. And lately, you guys, I don't really conceal the top part of my brow. I usually just clean it up with the foundation when I put my foundation and stuff on. So, and we're actually just gonna bring it all the way down on the lid. We're gonna just come all the way down. And then we're gonna put the rest that I have on my flat brush. The little there. I'm going to take this translucent powder from Laura Mercier. Now, this one is like in the shade of my complexion. And I know sometimes people get scared, like, is it gonna like change the color? And it could potentially do that. You know, but don't worry about it too much. So as you guys can even see right now what I'm doing, you see, I'm adding what I just showed you. And the reason why I'm not complaining is because look at it. It's going into the color of my skin. Well, it's calming down per se. And I'm using the what is this? Essential Crease Brush by Real Techniques. I like this brush. It's pretty cool. It is essential. So now we're going to be going in with my Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And we're going to be going in with the shade Rustic. It's kind of hard to see probably, but yeah. I use that shade all the time. As you can see, I'm literally, well, almost out. So this is a one eyeshadow look because it's natural. So we're not going to be going all crazy and stuff. This is something anybody can do. Okay, you guys, so I had to put my little makeup headband on so my hair could get out the way. We are done with the eyeshadow. Okay, now we're going to apply our foundation. We're not even going to put any liquid eyeliner. We're not doing any of that. We're going to put lashes on. You guys going to see how this look comes out. We're going in with my NARS foundation in the shade Dark 2 Sheer Glow on the skin. And mind you, I already moisturized my face. I did not prime my face. I just put a moisturizer on. You don't always have to prime your face. I mean, it's good. And then also I say it depends on your skin type. But for me, I'm dry skin, so I mean, the foundation is not going anywhere. Look at that. And I barely used a lot, you guys. I try not to use a lot of foundation because I kind of like my skin to look like skin. So now I'm going to go in with my Fond concealer. Almost out. Look at that. Okay, so I'm almost out. Probably gonna need to get some more. Do I got an extra tube? So we got Fond. I need to get some more Fond. We're gonna go on with Toffee. We're just gonna mix the two. And I'm using it like this because this is my personal concealer. So that's why I'm applying it to my skin like you see. But this step is definitely optional. You don't have to highlight. I just like the highlight because it gives you that extra pop in your makeup. Quick tip. When you are applying concealer, you want to make sure that it is blended as much as possible underneath your eye, because if you're someone like me who has a lot of lines and creases under the eye, if you don't make sure that is blended out before you set, it is going to stay there and it's going to look hideous, okay? We're going to actually go in with my Fit Me pressed powder. This will help set it as well, you guys. So I'm going to go here because I have to set it. Otherwise, it's going to start creasing. And we're just going to set everywhere we put that concealer. We will set the whole face, but for right now, we're just setting where we place the concealer. I got this little brush. This is optional too. You can stop right here. You don't have to add anything, but I'm going to go in and I'm going to add that same brown that we had added at the top. I don't have any black liner. That's okay. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. and I'm going to line my waterline up. That's definitely gonna come together, period. She cute? I'm gonna add my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead, added my lashes. As you can see, my mascara on my top and bottom lash. And I added a little highlight at the top. I just went in with this highlight from Missyland BH Cosmetics. I've been having this for a long time. And I use this highlight right there. So now I'm gonna go in and set the rest of my face with that Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna go ahead and set that around my whole face. I don't have any blush or anything like that. And I'm not gonna highlight my face today. So we're just doing a simple, you know, natural makeup look. Then I'm gonna go in with this Fit Me in the shade 360 Mocha. And I'm just gonna kind of use this as a bronzer and just bronze like a contour, but it's not a contour. It's just more powder, as you wanna put it. I'm gonna go in with my Ben Nye lip pencil in the shade Plum. And I'm gonna line my lips up. Hopefully my lips are not dry. Pretty. Ah. I'm loving it. Period. Okay, you guys. So now I'm going to be going in with my Madly Matte. Oh, is this a lip gloss? Okay, a lip gloss. We're going to be using a lip gloss. And I am going to apply this on like a, you know, something, because I'm not going to go in with the actual stick. I'm going to show you guys what that red looks like. So it's kind of, you know, it's a nice red. It almost looked like the red I got on my lips, honestly. I don't think I have any gloss. Oh, it is a gloss. This is a gloss on there. Ah. Come through. This is pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. Definitely for like a gloss. Okay. Let me add a little bit more on here. So I love that this applies like a gloss, but it is not a gloss. Period. I love this look. I love the lashes. I'm everything.